Hmm. Today is my birthday, September 7th. A year ago today marks a year of this channel, the day that I started, and the day that I cut off my hair. And to think that video is at, I think that video was like at 4,000 views the last time I checked. And I'm 23. It's a day of celebration.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Dapper Diane. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dorothy. It's nice to meet you. And if you can go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Go ahead, do your girl a favor, because if you're watching this right now, today makes a year since I launched my YouTube channel. So it's my birthday vlog. Today is September 3rd. So we're gonna be vlogging all the way up until then. But y'all will finally see this on my birthday, September 7th. All right? I'll give y'all a little tour of the Airbnb we got. We're in Myrtle Beach. So this is the first room. It's really nice, really cute. I love the blue. There's that. And then here's the bathroom. Nothing much to see in there, but bathroom. There's me. And then here's the kitchen. Here's the living room, the little dining area. There's this upstairs windy case thing, which I am in love with. And then there's the balcony, which we're about to go outside on together. Ooh, hold up, wait. There's a little pool out back. And we aren't directly on the water, but still nice. Nevertheless, nice big old flat screen. We're gonna go upstairs together. I'm scared. Stairs scare me. Oh Lord. We getting higher. Oh shoot. Ooh, I don't like stairs. I will be sleeping down there on that pull-out couch. I know my place. I don't like stairs at all. So here's the upstairs area, loft. Here's another bathroom. There's me again. It's a nice skylight. There's probably a closet. But yeah, now y'all have seen a tour of our Airbnb for the weekend. Hey y'all, so I just made it out to, what is it, September 4th. It's Beyonce's birthday, I'm tripping. But I have made it out to the beach. As you can see, I have the beautiful ocean behind me. And then there's the really famous skywell. I have my mask on. As you can see, it's a lot of people. But I don't think COVID exists in South Carolina. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just here. Everybody else, it was my mom and my two sisters that came too, but they wanted to, I guess now that it's like 1:30 in the afternoon, it's really hot, or too hot for them. So they said that they're gonna come to the beach in the morning. I don't mind it, so I'm over here now. Put on my sunscreen so I'm greasy. But yeah, the Airbnb hosts gave us chairs and umbrellas, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna have myself a little beach day and eat lunch because I'm hungry. My stomach is touching my back. Don't judge me on my packaging because I forgot to get little plastic sandwich baggies. But I got some chips, a turkey and cheese sandwich on a croissant. And then I got some water in there, a banana, granola bars, and some strawberries. So your girl's eating good, relaxing on the beach. It's a good day. Y'all, I had to get up out of here. I was sitting there just looking at the ocean, just thinking, and this lady came up to me and she just started talking to me, and she was a sis, so. But anyways, she said I had a nice booty. I was like, ooh, me? Like, anyways, okay, for real. So what had happened was we were just sitting there like talking a little bit, And then all of a sudden this white man was like, Sean! And I'm over here thinking he was yelling for somebody. I thought he said, Sean! Until I looked in the water and I seen a fin. A big old fin. And mind you, like, I didn't go deep in the water. I'm right there at the shoreline, because the tide was coming in. It's about like 6 o'clock. But yeah, y'all, I seen the fin and I said, I gotta go. So now I'm in my car, about to go. Okay, yeah. So today's the 5th. I'm back at the beach, and this time I'm with my family. There we are. And oh, there's the water. Hold up, there we go. So now we're just hanging out, and later on we're gonna go on a helicopter ride, which is one thing I was really excited to do for my birthday. But in the meantime, we're just gonna kick it. Alright, y'all, so we're about to board. I'm sorry I'm really close, it's really loud. So we're about to board. So these are my lashes. I love them. I love them. Thank you so much to Lavish Beauty by Sherry. I'll put her information down below. But now, guys, I'm dressed, as you can see. And I'm about to go to P.F. Chang's to get me some appetizers and eat a meal, eating a meal. Today's my birthday, September 7th. A year ago today marks a year of this channel, the day that I started, and the day that I cut off my hair. And to think that video is at, I think that video was like at 4,000 views the last time I checked. And I'm 23. It's a day of celebration. So I've started off my morning, my birthday morning at Urban Chic Nail Bar. So we're about to see what we're gonna get. Oh, my toes look crazy, but we're here to fix that. So I'm about to try this red wine. I don't know who told me to be 23 and grown, but let's try it. It's actually not bad. Okay. Don't mind my car, it's a mess, but look at the birthday nails. Look at the birthday nails. Like, I don't know who I am, but I'm grown and sexy, you know? And I just went into Jersey Mike's, got myself my free sub. It's hefty, perfect timing because I'm hungry. And then I also got my toes did, but I don't really like my toes like that. But let me show y'all. Don't judge my toes. Okay, come on, French. I'm sorry, but I've switched over to the French side because just the way that this is so chic looking, babe, you can't tell me anything. But yeah, y'all, that's my nails. Now I'm picking up, or I have picked up my little bundt cake from Nothing Bundt Cakes, and they give you a little free one, and I got the marble one, and it's so yummy. I already know it. I just went to Ulta, and then this is what my free gift was. I'm excited to try it. Normally wouldn't try it. So we're gonna see if I look younger. So I just got out of the mall. This is what I got from Bare Minerals. And then from Sephora, I got, wait a second, drum roll. I got this. So, hold up, there we go. I got that. So we got a lot of cute little beauty items to try out. And I got them all for free on my birthday. My lipstick looks crazy because we just got done from eating, but this is it, y'all. Thank you so much. This marks a year of my channel. This marks a year of me cutting my hair off. I'm just really grateful. Thank you to everyone who has tuned in, who has commented, who subscribed, all that good stuff. It's been an amazing birthday gift, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bring it back now.